Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. I really appreciate your support. So for those who are new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. So in today's video, I want to talk about my top 3 apps for creating my YouTube thumbnails. These are my top 3 favorite apps. These are really user-friendly, and these are the ones I seem to gravitate to the most. So I wanted to share that with all of you. If you're interested, continue watching the video. Alright guys, so let's get started with my number 3 top favorite app for YouTube thumbnails is the Canva app. So this app is very user-friendly. It has a lot of different options you can choose from. So I am going to screen share my phone. So you're just going to click on Canva. And once the app opens up, this is what it looks like. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the different templates that there are in Canva. So these are all the many templates. You can use them for different applications or different social media networks. But the one we want to use is the YouTube thumbnails. So you're going to click on See All. And these are all of the different templates that they have and you can choose from. You can also just pick a blank canvas and kind of create your own. But if you want to use what's already out there, you would just click on one of the templates and then basically just edit it to whatever you like. So I am going to pick this template right here, and I'm just going to edit the text and also change the picture. So all you would need to do is click on the text, and then you can just go ahead and edit it from there, whatever you prefer to use. So once your lettering, your wording is in, you can adjust the size. You can reposition the text anywhere on the template or anywhere on the thumbnail. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now that I have my title where I want it, Canva has the option where you can pick an image that they have already, I guess, on file. So you can either pick one of their images, but I want to pick my own. So I'm going to click on Camera Roll, and I'm going to allow Canva to access my camera roll. And I'm just going to pick a picture from here. So this is a quick thumbnail on my daughter styling my toddler's hair. I'm just going to pick a picture here of my daughter. And then you can adjust it, you can crop it. I tried to make it smaller. It won't allow me to make it smaller, but you can just kind of move it up or down to however you like it. And then once you like the positioning of it, you would just click Done. And then you're going to click the upload button. And this will upload the template or the thumbnail to your photos. So that is it for this. So I've saved it, I've uploaded it, and here it is in my photos. And most things on Canva are free, but depending on what you want, some things you do have to upgrade or pay for. Alright guys, so for my number 2, it is the Fonto app. Again, this app is another very user-friendly app. There are some additional steps you need to do in this app in order to create your thumbnail, and sometimes you do have to use other apps, but I do enjoy using this app. It's also very user-friendly. As long as you have the size dimensions that you're going to need for your YouTube thumbnail, then you should be fine, and I'm going to share that in the video. So yeah, these are the features that I want to share for the Fonto app. So I'm going to click on the app. I'm going to hit the camera button and click on plain image. So from here, you're going to pick your background, then you're going to click on custom. And this is where you're going to put your size dimensions. So for YouTube thumbnails, it's a width of 1280 and a height of 740. So click done. And here is your template. So then you're just going to click on use. And now you have your template size, so you can just add photos to the template size. So anything that's within that template will show up in your thumbnail. So once you upload all the photos you want to include in the thumbnail, you can adjust the size by clicking on size and the plus sign or the minus sign. You just adjust the photos as big as you want them or as small as you want them. You can position them wherever you want. And this is one of the things I like about the Fonto is you can be as creative as you want to be with this app. And although there is nothing pre-done for you in this app, you can pretty much just upload whatever it is that you want to include in the thumbnail. Another thing is it doesn't have the options to cut out the background or anything like that. So you would need to use other apps when using Fonto. So normally I would use PicArt to cut out the app, and I would probably use a filter app if I wanted to filter the photos. So once you've positioned your photos where you want them, you're going to click on the white background and hit add text. This is going to bring up a text box, and this is where you would put your title. So you can just put in your title, and here you can align your text to the center, right, or left. You can also add spacing or as many lines as you need to. So once you're done putting in your text, just click done. And now you can just position this anywhere on the thumbnail that you need to put it. From here, you can click on style if you want to change the coloring. So I'm going to change the color. You can also change the outline of the font or the text. And you can also add a border. So I'm going to go down to where it says fill and click on fill. And then I'm going to go scroll and just click on the stroke option. That option gives you a border. You can also change the color of the border by clicking on background and then just selecting a color. Once you're done that, you can click on done. If you want to adjust the size, you can just click on size and hit the plus or minus sign. And also if you want to change the font, you can do that here as well. So now that I've adjusted the title where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and upload this to my photos. So now it is saved and I am all done with the Fonto. Okay, so my number one app, and this is an app I actually just found, and I absolutely love it so far. It's called the Thumbnail app. This app is one of those apps where you only have to go to this app in order to create your thumbnail. It has everything from a variety of backgrounds, colors, stickers. You can do cutouts so that you're only showing the image and eliminating the background. This app is awesome. So if you want to see what all I can do in this app, take a look. So I'm going to open my app. Once the app is open, I'm going to click on Thumbnail Maker. So this brings me to a template. I'm going to click the camera on the template so that I can upload a background. Once my background is uploaded, I'm going to show you how I create a sticker. So you're going to click on the happy face at the bottom and the cutout button on the left. And it's going to take you to your camera roll so that you can select a photo. So I'm going to select a photo. I'm going to use the cutout feature, and I can do the auto or I can do the cutout where you're manually cutting out. So I'm going to choose auto. Once the cutout is complete, I'm going to hit the smart eraser button so that I can erase the parts that the auto did not take out. From there, I'm going to click the right arrow, and then I'm going to click the right arrow again, and here I have created a sticker. So I can use this sticker for future thumbnails if I wanted to, or future photos. So I've already done the other stickers, so I'm just going to click on them and add them to my thumbnail. So for these stickers, you can adjust them, you can tilt them, and it's all just using your finger. It's very easy. You're pinching it to make it bigger or smaller. This app is very user-friendly. So once I have my pictures in here, I'm going to click on text so that I can add my text. And right here, I am going to put in the title of my thumbnail. So now that I've added my title, this app has many different styles that you can choose from. So right here I'm just showing you some of the different styles that the app has. So once you pick the style that you want, you can actually change the color, you can change the outline, you can also change the line spacing. So I'm just going to adjust the title to how I like it. I'm pretty much just going to adjust the style. I'm looking for the line spacing because I do want the line spacing between the words or between each line to be more separate. So once you find the line spacing option, you're just going to drag the dot and that's going to adjust the line spacing of your title. So you can also add shapes to your thumbnail. They have emojis. They have a bunch of different just stickers that you can choose from. You can change the coloring, like I said before. You can also change the background. This is like a filter option, so you can filter the background to however you want it to look. So yeah, I'm going to go back and click on another sticker option to add to my thumbnail. So once I choose a sticker here, I'm also going to add more wording and just finish it up. So yeah, it's fun to just kind of play around with it and just get adjusted to all the different options and features that the app has. But once I feel like my thumbnail is complete, I will go ahead and click that right arrow. So once I click the right arrow, you're going to have the option to upload the photo to your photos, and then you will be done with the thumbnail app. So that's the end of the video. Those are my top 3 thumbnail apps. These apps make it so much easier when you want to create your thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. I'd be happy to answer what I can. Make sure you are following us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.